Just a quick one about the diesel filter. You don't replace the filter because it's dirty or because it's blocked. You replace it, more importantly, because it collects water at the bottom. And some old models have like a tap at the bottom there where you can drain the water, and some of them have a sensor on top here to tell you if there is water in the filter. I replace, well, I used to, because I don't have a diesel anymore. I replaced it twice a year, and it did make a difference. What happens if you don't replace the fuel filter regularly? One of the signs is it takes longer to start. It keeps cranking, and then it fires up, and sometimes it cuts out. So replacing the diesel filter in time is a good idea, and I'll show you exactly why I replace it that often. This is the filter that came out of the car, and see what comes out of it. Can you see these droplets? These droplets are water. So I replaced the filter because it has water in it. Yeah, this one has quite a bit of water. But the diesel itself is not dirty. So reason why I replaced it is the water. One other thing, try to use the original clips that comes with the car or you buy from the dealer. Don't use these nasty Jubilee clips like these. These are horrible. They actually damage the hoses. Good luck.